Good morning class. Welcome back you all in computer class. Today I will teach you chapter 4 looping in QBasic. In previous class two topic are remain left. Now class listen looping in QBasic. In this you have to learn about while while when loop. While when loop is used to repeat a set of statements till condition is true. This is also called entry control loop. Entry control loop because of this loop first while when loop. This is called entry control loop. Entry control loop means that in this loop first your condition check. If condition true, then other statement will be processed, otherwise not processed inside the loop. Listen, just I am going to give one example of while when loop. Listen example. CLS A equal to 1 while A less than or equal to 5. Print A equal to A plus 1 and here in. Look this example, try to understand this program. I am showing it output here. When you run this program after writing first CLS executed, your output screen will be clear. A equal to 1 store into A, while A less than or equal to 5. A means here 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5, condition true, then print A. A means here what printed? The value of A, here 1 printed. A equal to A plus 1 become here 2. When send this again to run your execute the while loop. Here become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5, condition true, print A. A means here 2 printed. Again A equal to A plus 1 become 3. When again send here, again here printed. Condition check 3 is less than or equal to 5, condition true, print A. Means here 3 printed. Here again A equal to A plus 1 become 4. When send this for repeating, 4 is less than or equal to 5, again condition true, then print A means here 4 printed. Again A equal to A plus 1 become here 5. When send here, 5 is less than or equal to 10. 5 is not less than 5 but equal to 5, then condition also true. True here, print A. What printed? Here printed 5. Again become here A equal to A plus 1 means 5 plus 1 becomes 6. When send here, 6 is less than or equal to 5. Condition become here false. Condition false, then this will send it control to the outside the loop. In here written in, then your program will be finished. So this is an example of while when loop. Now listen class, in previous class also you have learned about nested loop. Nested of for loop, loop within loop. Same as while when also have nested while when loop. While when nested while when loop means that you can learn here nested while when. Nested while when. Nested while when means that while loop inside another while loop. One while loop is inside another while when loop is called nested while when loop. One while when loop inside another while when loop is called nested while when loop. Now listen, try by example. In this loop uses only one while when loop. Just I am going to use two while when in a single program. CLS here a equal to 1 while a less than or equal to 3. Here b equal to 1. This variable for another while when loop. Again while b less than or equal to 3, or simple you can also write or equal to a. Print a into b, and here a into b and b equal to b plus 1, and here when, and here a equal to a plus 1, and here in. And finally in. You can try to understand this program step by step, then you can learn in better way. Here first execute, when you run this program, first executed CLS, then your previous output will be erased, become your clear screen. A equal to 1 store into a, while a is less than or equal to 3, condition true, b equal to 1, while b is less than or equal to 1, condition true. Here printed a into b means 1 into 1, here 1 printed. Again b equal to b plus 1, here become 2, when this when for this while, and now this while for this one. This is called your outer loop, this is called your inner loop. Now b equal to b plus 1, when send here 2 is less than or equal to 1, condition false, it send outside the when. Here become a equal to a plus 1, become here 2, when this when send here 2 is less than or equal to 3, condition true. Here b equal to 1. Now while b is less than or equal to 2, b means here 1 is less than or equal to 2, condition true, print a into b means 2 into 1, here what printed 2, b equal to b plus 1, then when send here 2 is less than or equal to 2, condition true, print a into b means 2 into 2, what printed here 4. Again b equal to b plus 1, become here 3, when send here 3 is less than 2, condition false, outside loop. A equal to a plus 1, become 3, when send here 3 is less than 3, condition true, b equal to 1. Again while b is less than or equal to 1 is less than 3, condition true, print a into b means 3 into 1, here what printed 3. b equal to b plus 1, become 2, when. Again repeat here 2 is less than 3, condition true, print 3 into 2, 6. Again here b equal to b plus 1, become 3, when 3 is less than or equal to 3, condition true, print a into b, 3 into 3, 9 printed. Again here a equal to a plus 1, become here 3, 4. 3 plus 1 become 4. When send here 4 is less than 3, condition false. Condition false, it send to the outside the end and your program will be finished. This is a while when loop. This is your while when loop. If you try to understand step by step running process, then you can learn and understand in a very easy way. Now class, all of you try it at your home of yourself for writing a program. Just you